Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the speed for audio on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project on CapCut. So I'm going to click on new project option. Okay, we can click on new project here, and I'm just going to add a random photo from here. I'm gonna add this photo to my project, and then I'm going to add audio to this project. So we can either click on this option, add audio, or we can select audio here. It's the same, it will bring you to the same menu, and I'm just going to click on add audio, and then I'm gonna select sounds, and then we can either add audio from CapCut or we can add our own audio to the project. Here I'm just going to add audio from CapCut. I'm going to choose one of the categories here, for example beats category. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Yeah, I have downloaded this audio, so I'm gonna add it to my project. Okay, this is for the original audio. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can change the speed of this audio. Basically, if you want to change the speed of an audio, you just need to tap on the audio. Tap it one more time until the audio is active. As you can see by the outline that the audio is selected now. And then we're going to scroll all the way to the right until we find the speed option. And then here you can make it faster or make it slower. It's up to you. You can go right to make it faster like this, or you can go left to make it slower. Okay, and for example, I'm going to make it 2 times faster. Alright, and then you can choose either you want to change the audio pitch or not here. Okay, I'm just going to check this option. I'm going to change the audio pitch. And then once you're done, you just need to click on this check mark. And this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change the speed for audio on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!